Okay, you guys, so as promised, here I am with my retwist from yesterday on my 10-year lock anniversary. I just wanted to show you guys some products that I'm almost out of and some things that I repeat purchase and have been doing so for some of this stuff for years. Um, I actually got this free in my last shipment from Ava Estelle. I'm sure you might have seen them on Instagram. Um, they have a skincare line that I like a lot. And the last time I purchased my skincare, they sent this bottle for free, which is a growth oil for your hair. It says it stimulates hair growth, increases hair thickness, relieves dry and itchy scalp, and reduces dandruff. As you can see, I've used damn near all of it. It smells like real strong, like tea tree oil. So if you like that type of thing, which I do, I love any type of oil or shampoos that tingle. So I have been using this on my scalp when I retwist. Like I said, it's gone. Would I purchase it again? Well, like I said, I didn't purchase it, but would I purchase it to use? I would say maybe. It's a strong maybe. My go-to, and has been my go-to since I've been natural, is Old School Nature's Blessing. This I keep in my arsenal. Okay. This is actually like a pomade. It's not a grease. It's so natural that you can use it on your skin, which I have done before. I have put it on my face before. It's been years. But in the wintertime, if my face is really dry, I have used this. I'm not going to go down a list of all of the ingredients, but it says it's a hair pomade, conditioner, restorer, and root builder. I love this stuff. I can't get enough of it. This is what I prefer to use on my scalp. Okay. And last but not least, this is my maybe third time purchasing this. This is Carol's Daughter Black Vanilla Moisture and Shine System. This is a hydrating leave-in conditioner. I like to use this for the smell of it. Now, it's supposed to, you know, like I say, moisturize and shine your hair. Do I see a difference in that? I guess I could say yes. But for me, it's more so the fragrance of it that I like. Okay. Black vanilla. All right. I like to spray this on my locks after they are dry. And one thing that I did yesterday with this retwist, which I usually don't do, is blow dry it. So for the most part, what I'll do is retwist my hair. I do not use gels. I water retwist. I have been water retwisting since my locks have been locked. So again, yesterday I hit 10 years. And once my locks were in a place where I didn't need to use gel anymore, I stopped. The reason being is my hair texture collects a lot. Collects a lot. So I prefer not to use gel or anything that's thick, because when I go to wash it, whatever is on my scalp is going to wash down into my lock. So that's what I contribute my locks looking clean to, is the fact that I don't use a lot of products because I don't want a lot of buildup. I'm not going to keep this video long. I just wanted to make sure that I got in and did my retwist video for you guys because I said I would. So again, this is a water retwist. There's no gel on my hair at all. I twisted my locks yesterday. And I wanted to make sure that I did get this video for y'all because I have a feeling that tonight I might get them messed up. So y'all need to catch it while it's fresh, okay? I'm going to get you up close of my locks. And here's where you can see the natural length of them since they are not crinkly. I'm not going to stand up because I'm in my PJs. But if you've seen the video from yesterday, you can kind of see where the length is when I do stand up. And I'm going to get you up close of my roots, and then I think that'll be it. I'm also going to show you guys how I wrap my hair up to go to sleep since I am about to get comfortable. So here's my roots up close. I do not have straight parts or anything like that. They just look neat, but I don't use combs or anything. I just think at this point my hair is just trained. The parts are trained the way that they are. They look pretty clean. I still retwist my hair the same way I used to when they were shorter, which is I'll take them and part them in 4 sections. I will twist each section, put the bow on it real tight up at the root, let it dry, and then take it loose. And like I said last night, I blow dried my hair. And I think I did that because, again, the weather's starting to change and I didn't want to catch a head cold. I didn't want to go to sleep with wet locks because if I did not do that, I would have been sleeping on a wet pillow, and I just wasn't in the mood for that last night. So this is how I put my hair up to get ready for bed. So I'll make sure that my locks are still twisted. So if any of them seem like they want to come loose, then I'll go in and give it a little twist and then put it up. Okay? Which, like I said, the texture of my hair, they do come loose pretty easily, but I don't really mind it. And this is how I retwist when I do it as well. No clips. Same thing in the back. If I feel any that are kind of loose, like this one is straight, so I'll just put it up. But if I feel like any that are around the edges are loose, I'll just go ahead and give it a little twist and put it up. So this way it's maintaining its retwist or this tight look for a little while. After a couple days, I stopped caring, but because it's fresh, I'm going to try to keep it up. Hope you can see. So this one feels a little loose right up in here. Again, this is how I retwist. Also, the only type of bands that I use are thick, like black elastic bands. Whenever I see these in stores, I just buy them because I do like them a lot. Not the ones that have metal on it or anything like that, because those will pop and break. No need to waste my money. So the elastic bands. It's just a lot. It's just a lot, but I'm so thankful. I am so thankful for my hair. Alright, so now that I have that all up, I will take a headband now. It is a silk headband. And this is just to make sure my edges are laid, because I do have edges. And the last step is, what are these? Pretty long. I have one in black and one in brown. This is also silk. Stretchy. Get it up off my ears. So, good news, this is actually not going to get messed up tonight. But this is how I do my hair wraps when I go out and about as well. And this is so I can get some good sleep. So my hair's out of the way. And it's protected. And it's cute. And it's giving African princess, African queen. You feel me? Just like I like it. So, so that is my fresh retwist for you all at 10 years. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you have not done so already, like and subscribe to get more content from me. And if you have any questions, you can leave them. You know, it's just giving.